Hello viewers, this OTTOCAST here. If your car came only with wired Android Auto or Apple Carplay, but you really wish it had wireless connectivity, in this video I'll show you a very easy to install adapter that'll give you that wireless convenience. Inside this box is the OTTOCAST AIR Pro Wireless Adapter. Now this one I have here works with Android Auto. If you have an Apple phone, they also have a wireless adapter for Apple CarPlay. Let me first unbox it and show you what this adapter looks like and what comes with it. Right here is the Ottocast Wireless Adapter. And as you can see, it's very compact. Right here is a smart button, which allows you to quickly disconnect from the wireless adapter. At the top is a USB-C connector. Here's a look at the back. It comes with a USB-A to USB-C cable. Right here is a USB-C to USB-C cable. Double-sided tape. User manual. Now on your Android phone, go to Settings. Under Connected Devices, make sure you have Android Auto installed. On your phone, if you see a setting for wireless Android Auto, go ahead and enable it. Next, you want to connect and pair your phone to a car's Bluetooth. And as you can see, I'm connected to my Nissan Rogue. Next, locate the USB port in your vehicle that you normally use to connect your phone for the Android Auto function. Now for this Nissan Rogue, I have a USB-C and a USB-A connector. I can use either of these for the wired Android Auto. I'm just going to choose the USB-A. On the other end of this cable, I have a USB-C connector connected to the Ottocast Wireless Adapter. With the Ottocast adapter connected, and right here you see a device with the name Otto. Select that. Now the phone is pairing to the Ottocast Wireless Adapter right here on the right. Select pair. Looking at the display in my vehicle, it asks you, would you like to use Android Auto with this device? Yes. You see the adapter is now blue instead of red. And also, this screen you're looking at is the Android Auto. Look at my phone, you see there are no wires connected right now. So the only USB wire that's connected right now is to this Ottocast Wireless Adapter. And all the Android Auto functions you see here works like a regular wired Android Auto. For example, I can make phone calls, open up Spotify. I can also go back to the Nissan interface. If I select the Android Auto button, it'll take me back to Android Auto. And you can use all the regular features that you normally use with a wired Android Auto. Where's the nearest McDonald's? Navigation works fine. You can make phone calls if you want.
You have no messages in your mailbox. Main menu.
Right now you're listening to Spotify. With this smart button, you can press it to disconnect a wireless connection from your phone to the Ottocast device. Just press it. Here you see the status LED is now red and Android Auto is disconnected. Now this wireless adapter does come with a double-sided tape, so you can stick the double-sided tape on the back here and stick it to the side of your center console or wherever you have space. Where you want to put this really depends on the car you have. And to show you this wireless Android Auto will automatically reconnect when you start your vehicle, I've gone ahead and turned off the radio and turned off the ignition. I'm going to start the vehicle now. As you can see, the phone is wirelessly connected to the Ottocast Wireless Adapter, and the Android Auto started automatically. As you can see, this Ottocast Wireless Auto Adapter is very easy to install, and within minutes you'll have wireless Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Once installed, you no longer have to use a wire to connect your phone to your car, and it makes it very convenient with everyday driving. Now if you're interested in getting this adapter retails for $80, and I'll include the link in the video description below. I'll also include a 20% off discount code you can use to get additional savings. I hope you enjoy watching this video. As always, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. To support this channel, remember to click on thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified of new videos.